guys, this is Phon-Er. This is vlog 106. We just got a call from a Yelp subscriber, and he told us that his charging port just went out. He has 1% left on his battery, and he needs it for tomorrow morning at work, and he has no time to go to the shop, so he asked us if we can come and fix it. Now it's 11:29, and he lives in close by Larchmont. It's on Melrose and Vine around there, so we're heading there right now to fix that part. Meantime, we gotta get that part ready, so when we get there we can just hop out and just walk there. Okay guys, all ready to go. We are all locked and loaded. Let's do this. Get that taken care of, and thank you for staying up at this time with me to see the repair, in case you're watching this at night time. Okay guys, that's about it. We will see you at the location when we get there. Just realized that I left my water outside. Little cool water cup. Let me grab that. Okay guys, we'll see you over there when we get there. See you soon. Peace. Cut. Hey guys, we just got here. Now we're about to go to the house and fix that phone. So you're coming with. So stay tuned for some cool action coming your way. See you guys soon.